Have you ever pondered on the pivotal role seafood plays in a balanced diet and overall well-being? Let's delve into how seafood, a cornucopia of nutrition, forms an integral part of any balanced diet. It's not just about the delectable taste, but also the wealth of nutrients it imparts to our bodies. Seafood, be it fish, shellfish, or sea vegetables, is a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Notably, it is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for the optimal function of the body and brain. They support heart health, reduce inflammation, and may even ward off mental decline. Yet, our bodies can't produce these fats, making seafood a vital part of our diet. But that's not all. Seafood also packs a punch when it comes to protein. It's a high-quality protein source, providing all the essential amino acids our bodies need. This helps in the building and repair of body tissues, making it an excellent choice for those who want to maintain their muscle mass. Let's not forget the plethora of vitamins and minerals found in seafood. From vitamin A, which supports vision and immune function, to vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, seafood has it all. It's also rich in minerals like iodine, zinc, potassium, and selenium. These minerals play a multitude of roles, from supporting thyroid function to boosting immunity and promoting heart health. Moreover, seafood is often lower in calories and saturated fat compared to other protein sources, making it a great choice for those aiming for a healthier lifestyle. It's a delicious way to nourish your body without the extra calories. In essence, seafood is a crucial player in the quest for a balanced diet. It not only provides a variety of nutrients, but also contributes to overall well-being. It's a tasty, versatile, and nutrient-dense food option that can enhance any meal while offering substantial health benefits. So, if you thought seafood was just about tantalizing your taste buds, think again. It's a powerhouse of nutrition. When you think of seafood, fish probably springs to mind first, doesn't it? Well, you're not alone, and for good reason. Fish is an incredibly nutritious choice, and it's a key player in a quest for a balanced diet. Let's dive deeper into what makes this underwater delight so beneficial for our health. Firstly, fish is a high-quality source of protein. This means it provides all the essential amino acids our bodies require to build and repair tissues. From your muscles to your hair, protein plays a crucial role in maintaining your body's structure and function. And unlike some meat-based proteins, fish is typically low in unhealthy saturated fats, making it a leaner choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Next up, we have vitamins and minerals. Fish is filled to the brim with vitamin D and B2. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but it can be tricky to get enough from sunlight alone, especially in the colder months. By incorporating fish into your diet, you can ensure you're getting this essential vitamin, which is key for bone health and immune function. B2, also known as riboflavin, also plays a vital role in energy production and maintaining healthy cells. But perhaps the most touted benefit of fish is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These are a type of fat that our bodies can't make themselves, so we need to get them from our diet. Omega-3s are crucial for heart health, helping to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. They're also vital for brain health, supporting memory and performance, and even playing a role in mood regulation. So next time you're pondering what to put on your plate, consider fish. Whether it's salmon, tuna, or mackerel, there's a whole ocean of options out there. From its high-quality protein to its essential vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, fish is a nutritional powerhouse. Indeed, fish is a nutritional champion, offering benefits far beyond just satisfying your hunger. Now let's turn our attention to the nutritional treasures hidden in small packages: shellfish. When we think about shellfish, we often conjure up images of sumptuous lobster dinners or delightful shrimp cocktails. But beyond their tantalizing taste, these tiny creatures pack an impressive punch of nutrients and health benefits. Take shrimp, for example. Despite its small size, shrimp is a protein powerhouse. A single 6-ounce serving provides nearly 20 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for those seeking lean sources of this vital nutrient. But that's not all. Shrimp is also an excellent source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Now let's dive a little deeper and talk about oysters. These mollusks are not just a delicacy, but also a nutritional goldmine. They're rich in zinc, a mineral essential for immune function and wound healing. Oysters also boast high levels of vitamin B12, vital for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Then we have clams, another small but mighty member of the shellfish family. Clams are brimming with vitamin B12 and iron, both of which are crucial for energy production and the prevention of anemia. And let's not forget about lobsters. This luxurious seafood is not just for special occasions. Lobsters are chock full of protein and supply a healthy dose of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known to reduce inflammation and promote brain health. But the benefits of shellfish don't stop at vitamins and minerals. They also provide a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not produced by our bodies, making it important to get them from our diet. Shellfish, particularly oysters and clams, are excellent sources of these heart-healthy fats. So the next time you enjoy a plate of shellfish, remember you're not just indulging in a culinary delight, but also a nutritional feast. Have you ever considered the nutritional Punch Sea Vegetables pack? Sea vegetables, more commonly known as seaweeds, are a treasure trove of nutrients that are often overlooked in our daily diets. Let's dive into the depths and uncover the secret wealth that these humble underwater plants hold. Seaweeds, like their land-based cousins, are rich in vitamins and minerals. However, they offer something unique that most land vegetables cannot: a high concentration of iodine. Iodine is a vital nutrient that supports thyroid function, which in turn regulates our metabolism. So if you're looking to keep your metabolism in check, a sprinkle of seaweed on your salad might just be the ticket. But the power of sea vegetables doesn't stop at iodine. Seaweeds are also a fantastic source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to protect your body against damage from free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to chronic diseases. Antioxidants found in sea vegetables, such as fucoxanthin and fucoidan, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. And let's not forget about dietary fiber. We all know that fiber is essential for digestive health, but did you know that sea vegetables are packed with it? That's right. Sea vegetables like kelp and nori are high in dietary fiber, making them a great choice for promoting gut health and regular bowel movements. Additionally, sea vegetables are low in calories and high in protein, making them an excellent choice for those who are conscious about their calorie intake, but still want to ensure they're getting enough protein in their diet. Indeed, sea vegetables are not to be overlooked when considering seafood's nutritional contributions. So the next time you're looking to add a little something extra to your meal, why not consider the humble sea vegetable? Not only will it provide a unique flavor and texture, but it will also pack a powerful nutritional punch. And isn't that what we're all striving for? Tasty food that's also good for us? Indeed, sea vegetables are not to be overlooked when considering seafood's nutritional contributions. Now that we've dived deep into the nutritional ocean of seafood, let's surface and take a breath. Quite a journey it has been, hasn't it? We've traversed the wide expanse of the sea, exploring the myriad ways seafood contributes to a balanced diet and overall well-being. Let's revisit the key points. We began our journey by understanding the value of seafood in a balanced diet. The sea offers a bounty of nutrition, and it's a splendid source of proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Seafood is low in saturated fats, and it's an excellent alternative to meat products, especially for those seeking a leaner diet. We then navigated our way towards the nutritional benefits of fish. Remember the omega-3 fatty acids we talked about? Yes, the ones that are crucial for a healthy heart and brain. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are replete with these essential fatty acids. They also pack in high-quality proteins and vitamins like D and B2. Our journey also took us to the tiny but mighty seafood creatures. Shrimp, mussels, oysters, and clams, they all have their unique nutritional profiles. They offer high-quality protein, are low in fat, and are rich in minerals such as iron, zinc, and copper. And let's not forget the power of sea vegetables. Seaweeds like kelp and nori are not only a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in iodine, essential for a healthy thyroid function, and are a good source of vitamins and minerals. So the value of seafood in a balanced diet is undeniable. It offers a variety of nutritional benefits that contribute to our overall well-being. It's not just about the taste, it's about a healthier you. So the next time you plan your meals, remember to include seafood for its incredible nutritional benefits. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment on our video. Your interaction means the world to us.